Hello guys, and on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create these dust particles here on After Effects. First thing, we'll go to our type tool and we'll be typing something on screen. For this I'll be typing dust particles, and after that we're going to go straight to our align tool and we're going to be aligning this vertically and horizontally so it fits our composition. And we're going to be duplicating the layer by pressing Ctrl Z to duplicate, and we're going to right click and rename your, if you want, then make sure the second box is checked, move all attribute into new composition, make sure you click OK. And with our duplicated layer highlighted, we're going to go under effects and preset. We're going to be searching for an effects called CC Particle System 2. Double click or you just drag and drop on your text layer, and we are going to be searching for another effects called CC Composite. We double click or we just drag again and drop on our text layer, and we are going to be adding the drop down under composites, and we'll be working on the CC Composite too. And we'll be changing the, just follow the values as I'm putting them. We're changing the bed rate to 50 and just follow the values. We're going to click down under producer and we'll be changing the radius to 1 and the radius Y to 10, and under physics we're going to change the velocity 0.5, and we change the animation to direction. Just follow the values as I'm placing them so you don't get confused. Under particles, we are going to set the particles to maybe 25%, and you can change the color. You make sure you hide you check the source alpha inheritance, and you can change the color to whatever color you want. That is a color. Then the dead color, always change it to orange, and have something like this. Now we are going to be animating the dust particles. So create a keyframe here on position under producer. Then we set the value to 0. Then we move in front like maybe 3 seconds. Then we set the value back to 1920. So the particles moves from left to right. I think this is okay. Now we are going to be working with our previous dust particles layer, text layer we created. So we are going to be searching for an effect called linear white, and we drop on it. Now we are going to be creating a keyframe. Make sure your time indicator is at the start. Press U to see the keyframes, and we move to 3 seconds again. Then we set the value to 0, and we'll be adding the fader to fade the text as it appears, so we have a smooth animation. And we have ourselves the dust particles effect here on After Effects. Kindly give the video a like and see you again on the next one.